Mars, often referred to as the Red Planet, is the fourth planet from the Sun in our solar system. It has long fascinated scientists and space enthusiasts due to its potential for past life, its harsh yet intriguing environment, and its potential for future human exploration. Here are some key details about Mars. 1. Size and composition. Diameter. Mars has a diameter of about 6,779 kilometers, 4,212 miles, which is approximately half the size of Earth. Mass, it has about 10.7% the mass of Earth. Surface composition, Mars is primarily composed of iron, nickel, sulfur, and other minerals. Its reddish color comes from iron oxide, rust, on the surface, which gives it its distinct hue. 2. Atmosphere. Thin atmosphere. Mars has a very thin atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, CO2, around 95%, with trace amounts of nitrogen, argon, oxygen, and water vapor. The thin atmosphere contributes to extreme temperature variations. Temperature. The average surface temperature on Mars is about minus 60 degrees Celsius, minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Though temperatures can range from around minus 125 degrees Celsius, minus 195 degrees Fahrenheit, near the poles during winter to 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, at midday near the equator during summer. 3. Surface and geography, canyons and valleys. Mars features the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is about 22 kilometers, 13.6 miles high. It also has Valles Marineris, a canyon system that stretches over 4,000 kilometers, 2,500 miles long, and is as deep as 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles. Polar ice caps. Mars has polar ice caps made of water ice and dry ice, frozen CO2. These caps grow and recede with the changing seasons on the planet. Moons. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are irregularly shaped and much smaller than Earth's moon. They are believed to be captured asteroids from the asteroid belt. 4. Water on Mars. Mars is thought to have had liquid water on its surface in the past, as evidenced by dry riverbeds, minerals that form in the presence of water, and polar ice caps. There is still evidence of water in the form of ice beneath the surface, and scientists believe that some liquid water could exist temporarily under certain conditions. 5. History and exploration. Past evidence of water. Geological features on Mars, such as valleys, riverbeds, and delta-like structures, suggest that the planet once had a much warmer and wetter climate in its distant past, possibly capable of supporting microbial life. Exploration. Mars has been explored by numerous missions, both orbiters and rovers. The Curiosity rover and Perseverance rover have provided valuable information about the planet's surface and atmosphere. The Ingenuity helicopter, which traveled with Perseverance, has also made history by successfully flying in Mars' thin atmosphere. Mars missions. NASA, ESA, European Space Agency, and other international space agencies have various missions planned or in progress to further explore Mars. The goal is to understand its past, its potential for life, and whether humans could eventually live there. 6. Potential for life. While no evidence of life has been found on Mars, scientists remain interested in the planet due to the discovery of ancient water sources and the possibility that microbial life could have once existed. Mars is considered one of the most likely places to search for signs of past or even present life beyond Earth, especially in areas like underground water reserves. 7. Mars and human exploration. Mars is a prime target for human exploration, with NASA's Artemis program and private companies like SpaceX aiming to send humans to Mars in the coming decades. The challenges for human missions to Mars include its thin atmosphere, providing little protection from radiation, low gravity, about 38% that of Earth, extreme temperatures, and the long duration of travel, about 6 to 9 months one way. 8. Seasons. Mars experiences seasons similar to Earth due to its axial tilt of 25.2 degrees, which is only slightly more than Earth's 23.5 degrees. However, because Mars is farther from the Sun, its seasons are about twice as long as Earth's. 9. Magnetic field. Unlike Earth, Mars doesn't have a global magnetic field, which means it's less protected from solar winds. This has contributed to the thinning of its atmosphere over time. Mars continues to be an object of interest for scientific exploration, and its potential for supporting life, whether past or present, makes it one of the most exciting places to study in our solar system.